Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the doctor from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve across. And then let's bring it down on both sides. And then a line across at the bottom. Now top and side, and let's draw a border in the same way. Now top and side, and let's draw the eye. Let's start with a curve across in the center. And then a curve underneath. Now inside at the top, let's draw a curve down and back up. And add a circle inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 angles down underneath. And then for the neck, let's draw 2 lines down on the left. And then 2 on the right side. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's curve it out and down for the shoulders. Now let's angle it back in. A V-shaped point down. And then a larger one underneath. And then connect it with a zigzag line across. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw 2 lines down for the sides of the jacket. And a zigzag line across the bottom. Now inside the jacket, let's draw a line down the center. And then we're going to draw the buttons, but alternating each side. So let's start on the right side. Then on the left. And then continue our way down like this. And that's it for the buttons. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's start under the shoulders and let's draw an angle down on both sides. And then a zigzag line back in towards the body. Now underneath for the hands, let's draw 2 angles down. And then add a circle underneath. And one more circle inside this one. Next for the hands, let's draw 2 angles down and out underneath each of the circles. And then a curve across. Now let's add the fingers. Let's start on the inside and let's draw a bent line down. And then bring it back up like this. Now let's hop over and let's draw another finger in the same way, but longer. And then 2 more on each side. And that's it for the hands. Now let's hop down to the bottom and let's draw the feet. Let's start underneath the body on the left and let's draw a line down and curve it out. And the same on the right side. Now for the first toe, let's start on top of the line and let's draw a curve out and down. And the same thing underneath. And then a bump to close off the toe. Now let's draw another one next to it in the same way. And then two more smaller ones on both sides. Now inside each of the toes, let's draw a curve near the top. And then let's add one more curve down on top to close off each of the feet. And that's it for the doctor. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!